What it do, guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video and all my videos, drop a comment down below, which is hashtag the grind is real. Share this video and all my videos on Instagram. Make sure you follow me at AppGrind. And once I reach 4,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick somebody that follow these guidelines and they will get a chance to win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, subscribe now. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn free Amazon gift card codes in 2020. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometime this month, 2 people is going to win some free money. So do yourself a favor right now and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like, it really helps out my channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions on what I'm talking about today in this video. And also don't forget to type hashtag the grind is real so you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 4,000 subscribers. I'm only 300 subscribers away, so hit that subscribe button right now so you can get a chance to win this free money. And follow me on Instagram. That's going to increase your chances of winning some free money if you follow me on Instagram right now at AppGrind. Now, one more thing before I get into this method. Please subscribe to my other channel. It's called Random Reg TV. On that channel, I'm also giving away free money once I reach 2,000 subscribers. So it's going to click somewhere in this video, go to that channel and hit the subscribe button, like all my videos, and make sure you drop a comment there. All right, guys, let me go ahead and get into this method right now. So let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website, and I'll tell you the name of the website in a minute. Now, what you're going to be doing on this website is reviewing software. So it says here, find better software now, search, compare, and choose the right software with confidence. And what you're going to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you're going to click where it says review software. It's going to take you to this page right here, and here's some popular softwares you can review: Basecamp, Dynamics 365, FreshBooks, HubSpot, Marketing Automation, QuickBooks, and Salesforce. But what I'm going to review is PayPal. So I'm going to type in PayPal right here. Click search. And as you can see, PayPal pops up right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the first one. It's going to take you to this page right here. So it says, write a review for PayPal. So software buyers need your help. Product reviews help the rest of us make great decisions. Not sure where to start? You click there, it tells you some more tips on how to write a review. So you're going to go ahead and fill out this. Just put your name, email, job title, organization, industry, and company size. So this is if you're a company.
And how long have you used this software? You just choose one of these selections right here. It can be free trial, less than 6 months, 6 months. It doesn't matter. You can pick either one of those. And how frequently do you use this software? And it could be daily, weekly, monthly. It doesn't matter, but if you want to put monthly, that's good. And it's going to ask you, what is the role in using this software? So you can just click on here where it says, I am a user, and then you go to the next page. Now, the next page is where you're going to write a review, and I'm not going to go through all this because I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm not going to go through the next page. But these tips right here shows you, when you click right here, it shows you how to write a review. It's real simple. So after you finish that, on the next page, you're going to go ahead and submit everything, and you're going to receive an email. So let me show you how the email is going to look. So this is how the email is going to look. As you can see, when they sent me an email, they said, thanks for your review of PayPal on Cafeteria, which is the name of the website. So it says here, your review will be screened by our team. Then number 2, approved reviews will be published. Number 3, if you are responding to an incentive offer from us, now that only eligible and published reviews will be sent a gift card. So you'll receive that gift card, and it's going to be an Amazon gift card. And it's usually about $10. So you can use that $10 if you want to go on Amazon and you want to buy something, or you can just redeem that gift card in for cash. And they have several websites you can go to online where you could trade in your gift cards. So this is how this whole process works. Very simple, and you can get free gift cards, Amazon gift cards, just like that. All right, guys, that's it. That's all I'm gonna say about this site. So if you're interested, just go to cafeteria.com.
All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, please do me a favor and hit that like button for me. And help me to get like 50 likes. Just 50 likes, guys. That's all I ask. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this website that I showed you today. And don't forget to type hashtag the grind is real so you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 4,000 subscribers. And also, please share this all around the internet, because I want to help as many people I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Thank you, guys. Thank you for your support. I'm not going to do any shout outs in this video, but next video I might be doing a shout out, so make sure you drop a creative comment in the comments below. All right, one more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of my other videos until my next one come out. Peace.